Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn profile for speaking gigs with Meetup strategy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture. Begin with your profile photo. Choose a professional, clear, and approachable image. Next, update your headline. Write a headline that highlights your speaking expertise. Include keywords related to your niche. Now, focus on your summary section. Craft a compelling summary that showcases your speaking experience and skills. Mention specific speaking topics you're passionate about. Provide examples of past speaking engagements. Now, let's enhance your experience section. Add any relevant roles that tie into your speaking journey. For each role, describe your responsibilities and achievements. Emphasize your speaking engagements, including event names and dates. Next, update your skills section. Include skills related to public speaking, communication, and presentation. Ask colleagues to endorse these skills to build credibility. Now, incorporate rich media. Add videos or slides from your past presentations. This visual content demonstrates your speaking abilities effectively. Now, let's move to the engagement aspect. Join relevant meetup groups focused on speaking and networking. Participate in local events to connect with other speakers and organizers. Share insights from these events on your LinkedIn profile. This shows your active involvement and thought leadership. Next, consider crafting LinkedIn articles. Write about your speaking experiences, tips, or industry trends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.